Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make campsite accessories with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a set of hookups for our campsite, starting with a 1x5 plate. I'm going to place two 1x2 jumper plates right on top, followed by a set of 1x1 plates. We're going to place these on top of one another. Then in the center stud, a stud that's going to be our sewer hookup, and right here on the right hand side a hollow stud, and then we're going to place a tap right on top. This is going to be for our water hookups. And right here I'm going to take a 1x1 brick with one stud, place that as shown. That's going to be for our electrical hookups. Place a 1x1 flat tile right on top. Those are kind of tricky to line up, but there's our hookups for our campsite. For a food storage cabinet to keep the bears out, we're going to take a 2x3x2 cupboard. I'm going to place a door along one side. It doesn't matter which side you put your door on. I'm going to flip this over and set a pair of 1x2 rounded plates as shown. These are going to be little legs to keep the cupboard off the ground. Flip that back over, and we're going to crown off these studs with a 2x3 flat tile. Now, I always like to open this up and pinch this joint together. Make it look a lot better. For a barbecue grill, let's take a 2x4 plate. I'm going to place a set of 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angler plates along the back side. And in these corners, a set of 1x1 plates with a horizontal holder. Place these right here, followed by a pair of transparent orange studs. These are going to be like hot coals for the fire. Place those right there. And four 1x2 radiator grills for a cooktop. You got to have some place to cook the nice steaks and hot dogs for the bears. You know how they like to come in here and lick the grill. And on these studs here on the back, a 1x4 flat tile. Place that right there. And a set of 2 stud long stick with flange. I'm going to place this as shown. I'm going to do this one over here. These are going to be like handles to adjust the grill. Place this one right here. I want to flip this assembly over. Take a 2x2 round plate with cross holes. Set that right in the center here. For the stand, take a 1x1 round brick. I'm going to take another 2 stud long stick with flange, place that right in there, and then I'm going to take a 2x2 parabola dish, set that right in here. I'm going to stick this assembly right inside this hole, and that stick with flange is going to strengthen this up so this will not come apart. That'll complete the barbecue grill. For a cozy campfire, start with a 3x3 plate, place a hollow stud right in the center. Then we're going to take a 1x2 jumper plate. I'm going to flip this over and set in a 1x1 plate along one side. I'm going to make 4 of these. I'm going to place these on the center edges of the 3x3 plate. Just go around the edges as shown. And then after that, we're going to fill in the remaining corners here with 4 1x1 plates. Place those down in there. This is going to be like a little bit of a rock foundation for the fire ring. Now we're going to take several 1x1 flat tiles around, set these right in here, make them look like cobble or river stones. Place these on all the studs. But we need to put a campfire on this. It doesn't look too appealing, not cozy enough. So we're going to take a 1x2 rounded plate, place that right in the center as shown, and then 2 transparent orange feathers. I'm just going to set those like this, and then I'm going to hinge these towards one another to complete the cozy campfire. Finally, for a picnic table, let's take a 1x8 plate. I'll place a 1x2 plate on the left-hand side, followed by a set of 1x2 45-degree slopes and a 1x2 plate. Now I want to make 2 of these. I'm going to take a 1x8 plate, place it right here, and then I'm going to slide in the other support bracket for our table. Well, these are hanging over by a set of studs, and then I'm going to place a 1x8 flat tile right here. Now these studs are going to be used to anchor down our minifigures to the benches, and then right here a 1x8 flat tile and a 1x8 plate. Now you're going to have to wiggle and jiggle some stuff in there. Now we're going to slide this off to the side. Take a 1x4 rounded plate. I'm going to take a 1x8 plate. I'm going to place this in towards in by 1 stud. And then I'm going to take another rounded plate, 1x4 plate that is, set that right there where it's in by 1 stud. And then I'm going to proceed on with 2 1x8 flat tiles. And you see I'm going to have to wiggle this in a bit. Place those in as shown, followed by a 1x8 plate. And these are used to anchor down accessories to the top of the table. And then I'm just going to simply set this right in the center here to complete our picnic table.